Friends, running kimono. So, guess what? I went to Walgreens first thing this morning and I purchased a couple little candy, small items to see if boosters would print for me on both of my store cards. Punched in the number, scanned my store card, and the system is down. It was not working for me. And I thought, oh, okay, well, maybe it's just my location. And then soon thereafter on Instagram, tons of shoppers started messaging me saying that, digital coupons are not working, points are not coming, or Walgreens cash is not coming back. It's just the greatest hits of everything not working out. So their system is obviously down. This happens like maybe 2-3 times a year, but it is just one of those Sundays. So what I would strongly recommend is to wait until Monday, January the 10th to go and do your shopping. Even for fun, I just threw 2 Colgates into a digital basket to say, hey, are the coupons and is the Walgreens cash going to show? Nothing is working. So digital, so for curbside or in-store, nothing. Wait for Monday because there are some serious problems right now. And so I'm going to wait till the 10th as well. Now, one thing I do want to talk about, I'm sorry, this is so super strict first thing off the bat. I made a video yesterday about controlled couponing and a lot of you really enjoyed this video. There's a great message to this video. But soon thereafter in the evening, some spam bot or something weird happened in the comments where a lot of you started getting messages from a user that looked like me, but it wasn't me. And I blocked this person from the channel and I also reported them. But it's just some sort of weird thing going on. If you do not see my proper name, and you know how I answer the comments, it's usually very direct messaging because when you're answering 50 to 100 people, I really can't get into a big conversation in the comments. I usually am very direct. Sorry if that comes off as rude, but sometimes when you're answering 100 people, it has to be yes or no's or, great job or something quick, not like a huge thing. So anyhow, if you ever get a message from an account that might look like mine, and always double, triple check, mine says running kimono, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a quick second, but a weird message asking for you to call on an app, like saying, hey, let's chat, something about investing or profitable enterprise, or that you won a prize and you have to pay me a bunch of money to ship it out. That's 100% fake. And this is going around on a lot bigger channels. I know Graham Stephan had a whole bunch of problems with this. I just want to put this in front of you. I've never had problems like this before, so hopefully it's just a one-off. But if this person just keeps continuing, I might have to take the comments off for a little bit. And then you can always reach me on Instagram or through email. But I never ask, anything of you guys other than to watch the videos. That's it. I don't even ask for a like on the video. So just be very mindful of this. There's some weird stuff going around. And obviously, I'm not asking for you guys to call me or anything like that. So if you see something weird, just know if it's not from my official account, it's probably fake. Just be mindful of that. Okay. This lady wrote me a question about Bath and Body Works, and see, running kimono, that's me. There's no official, there's no underscore, there's no periods. They try to make it look like it's from my account, but it's not. So just be really careful, guys. And I can't even show you guys the comment that was left on a couple of your comments yesterday because it'll probably, get me in trouble. So just be really careful in the comments because they just close people's accounts down if there's this weird verbiage and stuff because YouTube is also trying to get ahead of this too. Graham Stephan had a bunch of problems with this a couple months back, and I never thought I would ever see this sort of stuff on my channel. But you know how I answer in the comments. It's usually very direct. And just be really careful, guys, because if you usually get something too good to be true, it probably is that. So do not correspond with these people. If you have the itch to get out there and do some shopping today, there's this penny list that's very interesting, and it's products from a couple years back. Here's the UPC for this product, but this is ringing up for 1 cent. I found 2 yesterday. I'm finding a lot of these pennies at much older stores. These car clips with the Febreze 1, all a penny as well. And they're just in plain sight. Employees have not pulled them off, but I'm finding them peppered through the store. I'm not finding 15 at one store, but that 00, that's a penny. And guess what, guys? I didn't have a single issue buying any of these penny items at 2 different stores. And here are the UPCs for those car clip plugs. These are items from clearance events from about 2 years, for about 2 years ago, I think, or a year ago. And special shout out to Christy's Connections. Her blog, she has like everything listed. I'll leave her Instagram and her blog link is there. Go and check it out. But she has this like penny list, and I'm noticing it's all like products from 2020, the clearance event, and like this Fabuloso a penny. If you can find it, and some stores might have it just laying around, that's when you'll get lucky. Look in the clearance section, look in end caps, and look really high. Apparently there's some of these, so I'll have to look extra hard when I'm at the store, but I could not track them down. And then this stuff, if you've walked through your clearance aisle, you've either seen it or you haven't, it's gone. Because it's been in the last many clearance events. But there's a lot of cleaning products. Go and check out Christy's Connections. She has like all the info. Some of these, scan in the barcode with the app or type it in. You can have that, either or. And for everything that I was looking up, it said it wasn't in store, but yet I was finding it in store. So I think the app is just, kind of like acting up a little bit. But nevertheless, if you have this itch to really get out there and shop, you might want to look for these pennies. We have a massive snowstorm here, so I'm going to be pulling the plug on this. But, you might get lucky and find a whole bunch. But definitely go to Christy's blog. I will link her Instagram in the notes. And you might get lucky and find a whole bunch. Okay, now we're going to talk about Christmas clearance. Both Meijer and Walmart hit 90%. Walmart yesterday, which was Saturday, and then today, the 9th, is Meijer. And I did go out first thing this morning and scanned a bunch of products. It's certain selected products. Food is not included in part of this. Like, food is still like 50% or some goofy price. But a lot of these like cutesy little home things, 90% off. I'm going to share some photos. I'm kind of Christmas clearanced out, so I just picked up a handful of products, and that is it. Now, obviously, the more that you scour the store and really look, you'll find better things, but I found this little nail kit in this pink, so for 30 cents, I think that's a very good price point for these little press-on nails. And also, I found this is a really good example. So this is $7.29 and now it's $2.18. That is not 90% off. So some weird stuff going on. So I think that's probably still at 70. So a lot of this stuff, like, you really have to watch out. Just don't grab everything and anything. $4.99 for this cat toy, so it's 49 cents. I don't know. Is that a good price point? I don't know. But the more that you scour, I think the Febreze products, Glade products, Airwick, all of that is 90 as well. I'm honestly waiting for the Dollar General quarter event for a lot of that stuff. But if you have a couple hours to kill, and if you're in the Midwest where Meijer grocery stores are, you might want to check that out. Now, last thing I'm going to talk about before I take off is this, which is these Crunch. They are found at checkout, like in your checkout lane where they have the candy bars and all that stuff. $2.99 for an 1.5 ounce bag, so you're not getting your value's worth. On Saturday morning, there was a free item, get healthy, blah, blah, blah. So I'm thinking Diana's Kitchen Daily probably had maybe 2,000 units, and the first 2,000 people who claimed it would get a freebie. And by noon yesterday, it was gone. So if you're looking for this, look for it in the checkout lane, and that's where you'll probably find it. And it's a free little item. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.